A Twitter user named Ather recently posted photos of the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, both the tweet and the account have since disappeared. The photos show the phone in gold with a titanium frame. This new model differs from previous Samsung phones as it features a flat screen rather than a curved one. Two photos were shared, one with the box closed and another with it open, but the box's contents were not visible. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to debut at the Samsung Unpacked event on January 17. Leaks like these are common before big tech events. A recent hands-on video by Ice Universe also provided a sneak peek. Reliable sources have shared details about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's promotional materials. It highlights Samsung's focus on advanced artificial intelligence. One key feature is Circle to Search with Google, which allows users to search for anything on their screen. Another added feature is Live Translate, which translates calls in real time. The Note Assist feature helps with tasks like summarizing and translating notes. The phone boasts a 200-megapixel camera, 8K video recording, and 100x space zoom. These features indicate a strong focus on photography and videography. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power. It's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, fully wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology. Moving on to specifications, the S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a 12-megapixel selfie camera, a quad-camera setup on the rear, up to 1 TB of storage with 12 GB of RAM, a 5,000 mAh battery with super-fast charging. However, it may still have 45 EV fast charging. For the S24 and S24 Plus, the specs are similar, with the potential difference in processor for the S24 Plus. The color options for all 3 models have been revealed, with the S24 Ultra coming in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. While the renders appear legitimate, some spec details seem slightly off, so we'll need to wait for confirmation. Now let's delve into the full specs, design, and expected pricing for each model. The standard Galaxy S24 features a 6.1-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, 12 GB of RAM, 256 or 512 GB of storage, a 3,900 mAh battery, and is expected to launch from about $850 to $900. The Galaxy S24 Plus offers a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, 12 GB of RAM, 256 or 512 GB of storage, a 4,700 mAh battery, and is expected to launch from about $1,050. Lastly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra expected to launch from $1,250. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series offers some design changes, improved performance with a new processor, and various specifications to cater to different preferences. If you're considering an upgrade or your first Galaxy S phone, these options might be worth exploring. Stay tuned for more information as we approach the launch date.